What is up, guys? We got Kevin's truck, Entropy, 55 GMC in the shop. We're going to be adding some TLC to the engine bay. So Patrick's going to make a pretty cool looking coil cover and some other covers on the other side. And then we got something pretty cool coming for the firewall. We can't wait to show you that. Taking a break from the engine compartment. Now we're just gonna work on the sway bar because it doesn't have one as of currently.
On the rear.
On the rear. He's good up front. Rear end is a little loose, but we're gonna straighten that up right now. Hard to see in there, but Patrick's got the sway bar done. Now, we're just prepping the firewall for something pretty cool. I'm not going to ruin the surprise, but the Creative Wraps guys will be here to show us. Alright guys, we got Entropy back on the ground with the sway bar put in, and Patrick's panels that he made just showed back up. Let's see if we can get it better. There we go. What we're going to do is we're going to throw that emblem onto there, and that will freshen up the engine bay just a bit. Alright guys, last thing that we're doing to Entropy while she's here, we're going to wrap the firewall in this cool machine-turned vinyl that Creative Wraps has done for us. So Joe's going to slap it on here. We'll see how it looks here in a couple minutes. Alright guys, we just finished the firewall up with this machine-turned vinyl wrap from Creative Wraps. Joe just got done installing it. We're going to throw on the coil covers here soon. We'll have a nice, fresh-looking engine bay for Kevin.